Danny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 11th and we're going to do a single seed challenge update. Now this little joker here is really taking off. It's starting to get its third set of leaves. The leaves are starting to get a little size to them. And we're going to pull these little tags out of here. And this thing is starting to get its roots to the bottom. Now normally I wouldn't water this. I had watered it. But normally when I'm going to up pot, I wouldn't water it. That way it sticks together better. But I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. Hopefully we won't fall apart too much while we're doing this. But I'm going to put it into a 1 gallon pot. That way I don't have to worry about up potting for a while. The way I do this is I just put I'm using some potting soil. I just put it in there, and as you can see, it forms a nice little area there that's perfect for this cutting. So now what I'm going to try to do, without doing a lot of damage to this, is just drop it off in that hole. Now you can see how nice that fits in there. We'll just take and make sure we've got it set down solid. Now this potting mix I use, that does have a little bit of fertilizer in it, and I put a little bit of organic fertilizer to add to it. But now when you're up potting this is a tree, so you don't want to go a lot deeper than what it was. For one, we don't want to cause any problems there, but you want to make sure you firm the soil around the edge so that the roots aren't going to have a lot of air. Now this potting soil is well drained, so it's going to let a lot of the moisture out. So what I'm going to do now is, and for those that just started, this is a grapefruit that was grown from the seed. That's my single seed challenge. I'll explain this single seed challenge is, this is something that Scott had started on Black Gumbo YouTube channel. This is a single seed challenge, 2022. He's been doing this for a couple of years. This I think the third year of it. But anyway, what you do is you select a seed and you document it from the time you put it in the ground until it goes all the way through its life. Now preferably, and if you do have a YouTube account, you can make a video and upload. You have the capability because you already have an account, and so you have a channel. You just have to set it up. But even if you don't have YouTube and you want to take part in this, but you're not all tech savvy and stuff, go ahead and plant your seed and take and pick it out, plant it, watch it germinate, and follow it through its life stage, all its achievements. Like I say, this here is unique. I've never grown a grapefruit. I am growing some other grapefruit seeds, but this is the one this is my baby. So anyway, like I say, you just document it through its whole life. It's a simple process, but put on your YouTube video down in the description a hashtag single seed challenge. You see it on mine, and then you can click that hashtag and it'll bring up a lot of the other ones that are doing this same challenge. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. I hope you enjoyed my channel here. Maybe you learned a little something. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I publish a new video, and give it a thumbs up and share this video. Happy gardening.